Hey guys, so I am back. So this is really gonna happen. I found these seats at the junkyard. All total 85 bucks for all of it. And these are just deals that you can get at the junkyard. I didn't think it was too bad. I mean, the seats have a little bit of wear in them, but nothing like my old seat. If you checked out that one video, there is some little scrapes and stuff, minor things I didn't think were too bad. This was probably the worst of them all, right up here. But for the most part, I thought for 85 bucks, get a whole new interior. Plus, with my carpet, this is drying right now. Check out that one video I have of cleaning it. So I'm just letting this dry and bake in the sun right now to get all the water out of here. So I'm not really going to talk a whole lot. I'm just going to kind of show me tearing my car apart. But this is really happening today. Getting rid of this brown. I also picked this up from the junkyard. I want to see what it looks like in the black and everything else. So I'm kind of actually excited about this as well. So I will get started. And anyways, I'll just have it just filming. But yeah, all these seats are going to be gone, and that center will be gone, and we'll get to it. As you can tell, I struggled. It was, I don't know why this is not coming off, but just spinning. So hopefully it didn't mess anything up. Some medicine and whatnot in here. Never taken my carpet out, so yeah, but as I was suspected, my car was in an accident. Didn't know that it was, but there's glass. Wish I had a vacuum here to clean it out, but anyways, don't have one. But here it is. It's all gutted. Here's my seats. And there's that seat I got for 30 bucks. So I'm going to be selling all this. Maybe make some of my money back. So we'll see. And then the old carpet. So probably won't even try and sell this. Probably just throw it away. It's pretty nasty. I've tried cleaning it multiple times just in the car, but anyways, so there's that, and I will continue to get all of this put back in. Definitely some things I forgot at the junkyard when I was there was to get the black seat belts. So I didn't get any of the black seat belts, so it's gonna be brown on there for now until I get the black seat belts. But here it is. This is what it looks like so far. So anyways, here we go. Just wanted to show you this. On the 2005 and a 2006, the seat belt on the passenger side is actually connected to the seat. And since the seats I have are from a 2006, they're different. So what I had to end up doing was I just attached it down here where it kind of is attached on the other, and until I go get new seat belts. I'm gonna go get the black ones that actually go in this. I totally spaced it when I was getting it. I just seen the seats and thought that they were in great condition and didn't think about the seat belts. So little misfortune, but have to go back to the junkyard and get some black ones. So anyways, just wanted to show you that, and I am gonna get ready to put the carpet in. Alright, you guys, I got my back seat in. I know I didn't show in the video that I got it in, and need to get those changed and go get them black. But I got my back seat in, got my floor mats in that I need to wash. Got the seat in, the front seat. I'm gonna be needing to take this back out. There's a few things that I've just realized what happened. I'll leave a description, a link in the video, but it actually turned out pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with it. But anyways, there she be. So got some brown accent. I want to get rid of that wood looking on the door handle, but for the most part, I like it. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment, let me know, and more to come.